That's fine. That's fine. As long as you keep
What was that, lime or orange?
Amari Bar, orange.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Coconut. A little milk.
And that's coconut. Okay, coconut.
Morning coconut.
And that's coconut rum, right?
And they need some help over here too. How do you like the Hawaiian?
I want to try the Hawaiian one.
That's the same thing you had earlier? Son? Is the one you had earlier?
No, I've never had this.
The last 3 years.
It's almost the same except for one of the nose and the
Yeah, no, it's gonna suck the color. No, we live in California. I'm in Victorville.
Purple potato, right? You said purple potato?
That's close by. It's cooked out everywhere.
Which you're not going to find at any Total Wine.
I have not even moved over. Yeah, that's why I moved over here.
because they want to order at the, they want to order at the
Yeah, the green.
The Hawaiian.
A mile from downtown, so we walk over there. Just to
He's amazing. He's amazing.
I know. That's hard to get a hold of because he's so in demand.
Well, I mean, if he's not here, you can go back and
I know. Yeah.
777 Brewing.
Green Goblin is
They were the last hotel.
Thank you, Mikhail. This is for you. Thank you very much.
Which sucks, and then after they opened